Hello dear students. In today's class we will take up part 2 of your English practice book lesson 2, which is regular and irregular verbs. In our previous video we have studied about the formation of past forms of regular verbs. We just add d or ed in the base form. Now here comes the worksheet. First of all, look at the page of a diary. This is a diary entry and you have to fill it with the hints given about the diary entry, and you have to use the past form. The date and the time has been given. Let's start. Today we received an invitation from the king to a dance party. My stepmother and stepsisters. Here we will add expressed. Express, the first form was given, but we will add expressed. A desire to attend the party. When I learnt about it, I and asked them about to take me along. They scolded me. They called me ugly and accused me of being unlucky. I tried to convince them, but they didn't agree. Had I gone to the party, I would have enjoyed myself a lot. I would have danced with the prince. Oh, how I wish I could have gone there. Will no one help me? Next, now look at the pictures and the hints or the stimulus given. You have to complete the story. And this is a story of Cinderella. And you have to make use of regular verbs and the past forms. Cinderella wanted to go to the party but couldn't. Now the hint is starts crying. Now we have to make use of past form. So we will use started in place of starts. So she started crying. Then a fairy appears, offers help. Then we will use appeared and offered. Soon a fairy appeared and offered her help. Then wants her to return before midnight. Cinderella reaches the party. Again we will make use of second form. But warned her to return before midnight. Cinderella reached the party. Next, dances with the prince. Cinderella rushes out as the clock strikes 12, but drops her shoe. Then she danced with the prince and she rushed out as the clock struck 12. She dropped her shoe. The prince orders her to find her. Servants reach her home. The prince ordered to find her. His servants reached her home, asked her to wear the shoe, and asked her to wear the shoe. The shoe fits her properly, marries the prince. The shoe fitted her properly, and she finally married the prince. It's so simple, dear students. You have to just change the simple present form to past form. Next, now we will talk about its negative. We have earlier done it in our previous videos, and now again we are going to do it. You will make use of did and not, but you will use only the first form of the verb. Means if you are forming negative of some past tense, you will not use second form, rather you will make use of did plus not, and with did we use the base form, means first form. Like Cinderella wanted to go to the party. Now you have to change the negative, so you will write Cinderella did not want to go to the party. Now here again you have been given the sentences and you have to write as negatives. Cinderella could not go to the party because she did not have good clothes. Now look at the hints. Here Cinderella is saying, and you will make use of she. I can't go to the party. I don't have good clothes. So we have written here, she did not have good clothes. Then I don't have shoes. What would be there? She did not have shoes. I don't have any carriage or a chauffeur. She did not have any carriage or a chauffeur. I don't have any friend to accompany me. She didn't have any friend to accompany her. Next, in the similar way, you will change the verb into the negative, like Cinderella's stepmother loved her. The answer will be Cinderella's stepmother didn't love her. See, loved changed to did not plus first form love. Next, Cinderella's stepsisters worked hard. Cinderella's stepsisters did not work hard. Cinderella enjoyed herself in the company of her stepsisters. Cinderella didn't enjoy herself in the company of her stepsisters. The stepsisters cared for Cinderella. The stepsisters didn't care for Cinderella. Cinderella lived in a big house. Cinderella didn't live in a big house. Likewise, you will complete this worksheet. Next, now, while the dance party was going on, a precious necklace was stolen from the Royal Museum. Now, you have to read the details of the theft later given. The police interrogated some servants in this regard. Now, take the help from the hints given in the pink box where the servant's schedule has been given. You will go through the schedule and then you will fill with the correct verb form and you will make use of second form. Like first, the police interrogates the servant. Can you recollect the things you did yesterday, servant? Certainly, I can. I cooked food at 2 p.m. and then I swept the room. At 4 p.m. I changed curtains and while doing so I noticed a stranger. Then again the police is asking him, what did you do when you noticed the stranger? The servant said, I approached him and inquired about him. He told me that he stayed in the guest room adjacent to the Royal Museum. Satisfied, I returned to the kitchen and at 5 p.m. cleaned the floor. Then I stopped the dog from going into the party hall. I finished my work at 7 p.m., applied an ointment on my forehead and went to sleep. Can you give us that stranger's physical description? Yes, I think I can. Then the police thanks him. Very well, then we will record your statement and thanks for your cooperation. All this is for today's. Now you had to complete all the worksheets that we have done today. Till we meet again. Goodbye. Take care.